Hello, my name is Mario Avino with Dr. Eden's LLC in Miami, Florida, and in this episode, I hope to show you how to stop a gallbladder attack while it's happening. I will share with you simple emergency recipes for the gallbladder that anybody can do from the comfort of their very own home. Gallstones form when there are excessive levels of proteins or toxic compounds in the body. When this happens, the bile that is produced in the liver becomes more acidic and saturated with disproportionate levels of minerals and cholesterol deposits. These deposits form what we know as gallstones. Gallstones begin forming in the liver. Bile is more concentrated in the gallbladder, so it is natural that gallstones will also form there as well. There are home remedies that can help you manage gallbladder pain and diminish the symptoms. A simple, natural recipe for minimizing or ending a gallbladder attack is to mix 1 to 3 tablespoons of unpasteurized apple cider vinegar to a 10 to 12 ounce glass of apple juice and drink it every 2 hours. For many, this recipe has been very instrumental in stopping a gallbladder attack even during the height of the attack. A second recipe is to mix the juice of 1 lemon with some grated beets and with 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil. Mix well. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture every half hour until the pain subsides or until the following day after the pain goes away. This is also an equally viable emergency formula for ending a gallbladder attack. However, it is important to realize that these two methods only help to manage the symptoms, and sometimes gallstones can be quite stubborn. So if you desire a more permanent solution, one that will not only eliminate the pain of the gallbladder attack, but also vanquish future ones, you must deal with the cause, and that is gallstones. Gallstones and liver congestion can be dissolved. A gallstone is simply an aggregate of chemicals, and if chemicals can come together to form what we know as a gallstone, chemistry says that gallstones can be dissociated just the same. All you need is the right compound, preferably a natural one that can dissolve the gallstones without any secondary reactions. The Pulverex protocol is a program that uses an innovative, all-natural formula that dissolves cholesterol and calcified gallstones sludge in the gallbladder, liver, and common bile duct. 1 capsule is enough to stop the pain from a gallbladder attack and start dissolving it. It is fast and it is effective. For more information, do visit us at dreden.com. We're here to help you. Any questions you have, feel free to reach us. Thank you.